Gogoro is listed on Nasdaq via SPAC route, valuing Taiwan's smart scooter manufacturer at $2.35 billion. A special-purpose acquisition company backed by a group of former Deutsche Bank and Morgan Stanley executives had agreed to buy Taiwanese smart scooter and electric battery maker Gogoro in a deal that values it at $2.35 billion. Poma Global Holdings, Corp., a U.S.-listed blank check company, will absorb Gogoro in a merger, allowing the Taipei-based firm to list on Nasdaq under the symbol GGR through the transaction, according to a statement. Taipei-based Gogoro was founded in 2011, and its early investors include Singapore's Temasek Holding, former U.S. Vice President Al Gore's Generation Investment Management, and Sumitomo Corp of Japan. It operates a network of 2,175 battery swapping stations, manages more than 270,000 daily battery swaps, and has chalked up 200 million cumulative swaps as of August. Gogoro's current management, including its founder and chief executive Horace Luke, will continue to lead the company after the listing. Gogoro is transforming urban mobility in the world's most densely populated cities by changing how people use and share portable energy, Luke said. Much of today's world commutes on two wheels, and cities are embracing sustainable energy and smart city technologies in unprecedented ways. The firm is the latest among electric vehicle makers to take the SPAC route to a U.S. listing, as so-called blank check companies target growth and emerging technology companies for deals. Other notable SPAC mergers in the EV space include Faraday Future, Nikola Corp, and Fisker. Poma Global is backed by Princeville Capital, a global growth stage investment firm founded in 2016 by former Deutsche Bank executives Emmanuel de Souza and Joaquin Rodriguez Torres. It raised $345 million in an initial public offering in January and counts Homer Sun, the former chief investment officer of Morgan Stanley Private Equity Asia, as its CEO. We believe the technology differentiation Gogoro has developed in combination with the world-class partnerships it has forged will drive significant growth opportunities in the two largest two-wheeler markets in the world, Sun said. The Poma-Gogoro merger is expected to add $550 million of cash to Gogoro's balance sheet. The proceeds will be used to fund its expansion into China, India, and other markets, as well as for research and development. The firm plans to venture into battery swapping in mainland China later this year. To complete the deal, Poma Global raised additional private investment in public equity financing. The PIPE investors include existing investors, manufacturing and strategic partners, as well as new financial and institutional investors, it added. Gogoro announced a strategic partnership in June with iPhone supplier Foxconn Technology Group to accelerate the expansion of its smart scooter manufacturing and battery swapping network. SPACs have been one of the hottest fundraising trends since the beginning of 2020, raising $124 billion this year alone, according to SPAC Analytics, a research firm focused on the investment vehicle. SPACs are shells created to raise financial war chests and buy assets within a limited period of time, usually 18 months to 24 months. Companies including Southeast Asia's most valuable technology unicorn, Grab Holding, cooking recipe hub Day Day Cook, founded by former HSBC banker Norma Chu, Singapore-based real estate listing portal Property Guru, Tim Hortons China, have all agreed to go public in the U.S. via SPAC mergers this year. Singapore recently announced new rules to enable SPACs to go public in the city-state from this month. Hong Kong is exploring the idea and could unveil a consultation paper on proposed changes to its listing rules as soon as this month. The investment vehicles have remained popular among Asian sponsors and target companies, despite a slowdown in the pace of fundraising, from a blistering $95 billion in the first quarter, and heightened regulatory concern. U.S. regulators have also considered adopting tougher disclosure rules for listings by blank check companies. China Securities Regulatory Commission Chairman Yi Hui-man warned this month that SPACs and other non-traditional listing models, such as direct listings, are posing disruptive challenges to traditional IPO market. The Poma-Gogoro deal is expected to close in the first quarter of next year and is subject to approval by both sets of shareholders. The law firm Kirkland Ellis is advising Poma Global, while Goldman Sachs and the law firm Wilson Sonsini Goodrich Rosati are advising Gogoro. Citigroup and UBS served as joint placement agents on the PIPE offering.